Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. The release of Shibarium. Shiba Inu will overnight travel 10 times to 1 cent. Today's Shiba Inu news. Ryoshi, the mind behind the Shiba Inu coin, has presented Shibarium, an L2 solution blockchain. Note that Shibarium is not the blockchain of Shiba Inu. It is currently tied to Ethereum and always will be. Reducing transaction costs for consumers of the Shiba ecosystem is one of the key objectives. Shiba Inu's price will increase dramatically with the release of Shibarium, luring in new investors. We shall discuss the release of Shibarium in this video. Shiba Inu will travel to $0.1 10 times overnight. Today's Shiba Inu news. To see our most recent articles on Shiba Inu's pricing forecasts and expert analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share buttons and subscribe to the channel. Let's watch the video and find out what Shiba Inu is doing on September 27th. Without further ado. Within the last 24 hours, Shiba Inus have decreased by 6.4%. The sharp bearish pressure that has led SHB to lose 19% of its value over the past month is increased by the stock's 24-hour dip. Shib's price was $0.1124. Shiba Inu's price appears to be being impacted by the bearish attitude as it makes lower lows. Shib has had $433 million in trade volume during the last 24 hours. Shib, which formerly ranked among the top 10 largest cryptocurrencies by market size, has seen its market worth marginally decline to $6.63 billion and is currently ranked as the 12th largest cryptocurrency. And according to this metric, Shib experienced a significant bull run toward the close of last year and hit a new record high. But during the last 3 weeks, it has fallen by 86% from these levels and has been unable to regain its footing. Since the same volatility that has afflicted the larger crypto market also affects it. However, once the meme currency managed to maintain a price above $1 for 2 months, everything seemed to be going in the right direction. For a while now, the Shib price has been clinging to the $1 support level above zero. By the end of July, it had surpassed this level, and the movement had increased by almost 50%. Before sellers started to enter the market, it maintained the rise for a while. In mid-September, the downward trend of Shib was reaffirmed. Shib's price will challenge support at $93 and $83 and fall below the 0.1% levels if the current bearish trend persists. Although such a decrease would appear bearish in the near term, it might result in a bull trend over the long term as traders rush to purchase the meme currency at reduced costs. The signal line is where the moving average convergence-divergence line is located, indicating that bulls and bears are vying for control. The 46 relative strength indicator indicates that as selling pressure increases, the optimistic attitude is fading. Shib could therefore temporarily keep trading in the red zone. The RSI, however, can also indicate that a trend reversal is imminent. Shib might then test the next resistance at 20 cents and then $0.15 in this situation. This increase might, however, also be dependent on broader market acceptance and favorable ecological changes. Large wallet investors on the Ethereum network have purchased more than 855 billion Shiba Inu tokens during the last 3 days. Shiba Inu bullish trend reversal is thought to be signaled by massive Shiba Inu accumulation in whales. The top 100 whales on the Ethereum blockchain have bought more than 855 billion Shiba Inu tokens, according to data from Whale Stats. It's interesting to note that 4.35 trillion Shiba Inu tokens have been traded by big wallet holders. Shiba Inu token collection by major wallet holders or a significant increase in the quantity of tokens in motion typically denotes a change in the meme coin price. Shiba Inu tokens are gathered by whales on the Ethereum network through dips. Whale activity peaks locally and coincides with Shiba Inu price peaks. As a result, supporters view the accumulation period as positive for owners of Shiba Inus. Shiba Inu's burn tracker, Shibarium, showed that 76.4 million Shib tokens had been withdrawn from circulation on a permanent basis. By being transmitted to inactive wallets, these tokens have effectively been destroyed. Shiba Inu's price, according to FX Street technical expert Tony M, is poised to rise to the $0.1394 level. The expert observes that throughout the previous week, the price of Shiba Inu has trended downward. Shiba Inu's downtrend is weak, and the period's unpredictable pullbacks suggest that a bullish trend reversal is likely. The analyst thinks that if bulls defend the $0.880 level as support, if Shiba Inu's price goes below this level, Shiba Inu's bullish end will be invalidated. It's likely to fall to $78 in a downward spiral. Even with the rise in burn rate, it was still not possible to burn more than 10.4 billion Shib, or $115,000, in these 3 months. In addition, compared to the 7-day average, net deposits on exchanges were high. According to statistics from CryptoQuant, this indicates greater market selling pressure, which is one of the key causes of the price decline. It is renowned for its superb work with the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Due to their cooperation with TTF, experts anticipate that this will drive up the price of Shiba Inus and that they may expect top-notch designs, visualizations, and development. While the Shiba Inu ecosystem's Shib roadmap is still expanding, some of its initiatives will need to rely on Shibarium. There are many advantages to the suggested Layer 2 solution. Shibarium can fix the issue in addition to reducing the transaction charge by raising the gas fee for Shib. Shibarium would make it simpler for developers to address this problem, even though they are currently doing so. It further claimed that the over 549 trillion Shib tokens that are lying around and waiting to be burned would be reduced by investors thanks to Shibarium's burning process. Shiba Inu has upped the burn rate to 408% and is likely prepared to climb as soon as Shibarium is launched. One of Shiba Inu's native coins, BONE, had a 20% increase today to reach a new intraday high of $1.37. Investors' swarming drives increased demand for the token, driving up the price of BONE. Shibarium's public beta testnet debut date is getting closer. The testnet launch ought to take place before the end of this month if nothing changes. The token's price rose to a high of $1.77 earlier this week, and it has increased by 87% over the last 30 days. As a result, individuals who bought BONE last month have virtually doubled their portfolios. Since July 2022, the cost of BONEs has been increasing. It took less than a month for it to go from 0 to 0. As of Thursday afternoon, the latest CoinGecko data shows that the price of BONEs is continuing climbing. Before the end of the following week, it will probably trade at $2 if it can maintain this pace. Over the past 3 months, the price of BONEs has doubled, providing investors with enormous financial gains. However, no official date has been announced for the start of the Shibarium network. The launch was only recently disclosed by the Shib team. It seems sense that investors are purchasing more BONE tokens in an effort to enter the market before Shibarium launches. Since the BONE token would have a use case in the Shibarium network, investors think the price of the token might increase in the future. Therefore, an increase in price would result in higher returns for these investors. According to recent developments, BONE will continue to draw increased demand up until the Shib team announces the launch date of the Layer 2 network. The most recent information shows that BONE is currently trading at $1.37 and has increased 10.9% during the past 24 hours. It is still 91.3% below the $15.50 top price it reached in July 2021, though. The Shib team put a limit on BONE tokens at 230 million earlier this month, stopping further BONE token production. The remaining 20 million of BONE's 250 million maximal supplies are for gas and Shibarium. Validators, one of the factors driving BONE's price increase last month and making it one of the top gainers among cryptocurrencies that month, was the news of exchange listings. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.